Watch, drag queen Elsa helps cop van stuck in snow, heels. A drag queen dressed as Queen Elsa from the hit kiddies film, Frozen, single-handedly got a police van stuck in snow out of a rut outside a South Boston bar in the U.S. Jason Triplett, who is known as the Queen of Arundel, told the Boston Globe that he wore Elsa's signature blue dress, white wig and heels to the bar as a joke for his friends. A video posted by Christopher B. Haynes on Facebook sees Queen Elsa pushing the van out of snow while partygoers in the bar are heard shouting "Go Elsa!" The video has gone viral and has been viewed over 6 million times. And counting.